Today we'll be discussing the TC8714-2 4-wire E&M Channel Bank. TC Communications offers a wide range of options to replace existing channel banks. Leading these options is our Jumbo Switch, a complete replacement solution converting traditional setups to an IP-based system. Additionally, we have the Jumbo Bank, a classic T1-based channel bank. For scenarios requiring fewer channels, we offer our mini channel bank solution. Today, we focus on one such solution, the TC8714-2. This product is most commonly supplied as a standalone unit. It can also be mounted in a 1U rack, which holds up to 2 cards. Realistically, most customers will use the standalone unit. For those familiar with our mini channel bank, you'll recognize this bookended solution. It's commonly used to connect remote radio systems to voters via T1 or E1. At the remote site, the radio signal is converted by the TC8614 into T1, transported to a central site, where it is converted back to 4-wire and connected to the voter. However, in many classical channel bank applications, all that is needed is conversion into T1. With the TC8714-2, we simply take the 4-wire E&M into the unit and put it onto the T1 in some of the DS0 slots. The TC8714 can handle 1 or 2 channels. With the 1-channel unit, by default, the 4-wire E&M is put into slot 1. In the 2-channel unit, by default, the channels are put into slot 1 and 2. This is shown in the following diagram. The first 4-wire E&M channel is put into DS0 number 1, and the second into DS0 number 2. The TC8714 has a set of dip switch selections, making it easy to set up. You can choose the index and move the channels to any slot within the T1. For example, you might choose to place the first channel in DS0 number 21, which means the second channel will be placed into slot DS0 number 22. This flexibility allows for a straightforward solution. The TC8714 is ideal for sites with 1 or 2 4-wire E&Ms. If more channels are needed, customers can use other mini channel bank solutions or Jumbo Bank, which supports up to 24 DS0s in each T1. Key features of the TC8714-2 include support for both 2-wire and 4-wire operation, compatibility with T1 or E1, high reliability, an MTBF rating of over 300,000 hours, a 5-year warranty, and, as with all of our products, an optional extended temperature range of -40 degrees to 80 degrees Celsius. For more information, please visit our website at TCComm.com. You can find the TC8714-2 by clicking the drop-down menu in the top right corner of our homepage. Also, feel free to get in touch with us by clicking on Contact Us in the top right corner. Please like and subscribe for more content, and as always, thank you for watching.